It can sometimes seem like the instructional designers and/or academic technologists promote technology for the sake of technology rather than for the affordances it provides faculty in the pedagogies that they deploy. Techology is a series of workshops and webinars offered by the Library and Academic Technology Learning Design team that explores the relationships between technology and pedagogy. Techology, in the simplest terms, is the practice of matching technologies to pedagogy. Join us and become a master Techologist through deep discussions explaining the how and exploring the why to technology integration.